Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's presentation of our master program in transportation economics that is hosted by the Friedrich List Faculty of Transport and Traffic Sciences at TU Dresden. My name is Georg Hirte, I am the Dean of this program and I will go through this presentation today. The Faculty of Transport and Traffic Sciences is the only transport-related faculty or department in Germany, and therefore it is the right place to offer such a program. Our decision to offer this program depends on the following ideas. We have a lot of challenges concerning mobility. We observe the huge technological development concerning mobility, like automation, networks, sharing platform, drones, electric and autonomous vehicles. We observe the development of new business models concerning the sharing platforms, the mobility as a service idea and logistic issues in firms. We also observe that there's an increasing availability of huge amount of diverse data in transport that shall be used to improve the transport system for firms, for society. And finally, we know that the society faces a lot of challenges concerning the mobility for everybody. Everybody shall be able to participate in economic and social activities, and for that, mobility is essential. We further have to solve a lot of issues concerning climate change, concerning pollution, noise, health, and this implies we are looking for a sustainable mobility system that is also environmental friendly. For that we need policy intervention and policy measures that have to be designed and evaluated, and finally all this happens in a full system of transport and the related economy and society. We offer you the scientific methods and tools for understanding, processing and solving exactly these challenges. And we also offer you the soft skills required for you to successfully work and make career in firms and institutions that are facing these or equivalent challenges. Our master program Transportation Economics is a full-time 2-year program, and you acquire the Master of Science as a graduation. We have about 30 students. The language is English. The tuition fee is about €300. That includes free access to public transport in whole Saxony and in Dresden. For the courses you have to be at least 1 year at TU Dresden. And this program is already accredited within the German national accreditation system. Here you find more on our homepage of this study information system at TU Dresden, and you can also contact me if you have further questions. The program has the following structure. In the first term, we offer you obligatory modules that provide you with the basic methods in statistics, econometrics, logistics, economics and data analytics that are required to successfully study in the following. In addition, you can acquire modules from the field of business administration, economics, and transport engineers and languages, so that you can add additional qualifications to your transport-related specialization. In the second field, you have to specialize in 2 out of 5 of our offered groups, specialization groups. I will tell you in a minute which are they. In the third term we have this mobility window. There you can go abroad to another university and study there, acquire modules at this other university, or make a vocational internship outside of TU Dresden. In that term you have to write a research task that is from one of your specialization groups, and this research task you can also write abroad. In addition, you can acquire modules, again from our 3 fields, business administration, economics and transportation engineering. Or instead of these additional modules, you can perform, or you can make a vocational internship at a firm if you are more interested already in working. And in the last term, you have to write your master thesis, which is a full-term thesis. This second year, the first year you have to spend at TU Dresden. The second year you can spend at another place because you can acquire your courses here or internship at another place, for instance, outside of Germany. And you can also write your research task there. And the master thesis, you of course can also write at another place. However, you must be aware that you have to be at TU Dresden at least once or 2 times during that year. The specialization groups we offer is computational logistics. There you become expert in the mathematical models like operation research, linear programming, C++ programming, and GAMS programming to solve the issues of logistics and public transport service production. In transportation policy, you apply microeconomics and econometrics to evaluate policy intervention in transport. For instance, you learn cost-benefit analysis, you evaluate regulation and transportation, pricing and taxes to solve the mobility issues. The third is spatial and environmental economics. This is based on microeconomics, econometrics and simulations in GAMS to study the link between the transport system, the environment system and the spatial economy. Among others, you learn here, have here field urban economics. Then you have the group statistics. There you apply methods of multivariate statistics and computational statistics to solve issues that are data-driven and related to real-world phenomena that have to do with transport. And finally, we have data analytics in transport. There you apply computational methods to understand data and finally solve complex transport-related decision problems with a huge amount of data. If you are more interested in data science, the last 2 groups would be the right choice. If you are more interested in economics, then transportation policy and spatial and environmental economics would be your best choice. If you're interested in business-related issues, computational logistics and data analytics together would be your best choice. We have a specific aptitude procedure for this program. First, you need a graduation in a bachelor in one or master in one of the following fields: economics, business administration, or statistics. But it's also possible to have a graduation in transportation science or one of these MINT fields: mathematics, information, natural science, technology, or engineering. At the date of your application, you need to have finished at least 80% of your current program. Then you need some English knowledge at the B2 level of the European System of Languages, which is equivalent to an IELTS of 5.5 or TOEFL or TOEFL at least 80 points. And third, you need at least 60 credits in total which is a 1-year part of the bachelor from the following fields: economics, business administration, and quantitative methods. Quantitative methods include mathematics, statistics, econometrics, operations research, programming, data analytics, and physics. And if you have more than 35 points in quantitative methods, you can reduce the required points in economics to 10 or in business administration to 5. The application procedure: you have to submit your application as a German applicant with a German degree to the faculty, as an international applicant with a German degree to the Akademisches Auslandsamt at TU Dresden, and as an international applicant with a foreign degree via UniAssist online, and in addition as a printout bulk mail to TU Dresden at UniAssist at Berlin. You can find more on this procedure again on this homepage here, tudresden.de/sins/Verkehr, VERKEHR. summarize, the most important issue now for you is the deadline for application for non-EU applicants without a German degree is the 31st of May. For all others is the 15th of July. And then you receive your decision letter at the mid or end of August. So what to do after the program? The program qualifies you for the labor market, and we have a strong demand on this labor market in Germany, and I'm quite sure also abroad. The initial salary usually in Germany is about 40 and 55,000 euro. Our former students work and make careers in public institutions like federal ministries, in research institutes, in railway firms, for instance, Germany and Switzerland, by car producers and related firms, at airports, at logistic firms, at services, IT services system firms, at energy firms, or at consulting. They work as economists, senior researchers, professors, business executives, consultants, or data scientists, also in non-transport related fields. So if you are interested, then it is clear we are looking for you. If you want to master the quantitative and economic methods, and you are determined to do that, to understand and solve transport-related issues for firms and the society. If you are open-minded and are able to work independently by your own, if you are interested in working in a team of international students, then you are the right person for us. So here, if you're interested to learn more about us, here is a link to a video of one of our colleagues who is teaching in this program. Okay, let me summarize. If you are interested in facing and solving the challenges of mobility in society for firms, and you have all these interests in that field, and you want to work in a group of students, we offer you a lot of courses where you can work in teams, then I would like to see you in autumn in our course at TU Dresden. So have a nice day. Goodbye.